Have you ever pondered upon what transpires after your initial triumph? Does it signal the end of a journey or the beginning of a new one? Welcome to a narrative, a tale of victory, not just one, but a relentless pursuit of it. In the heart of a bustling city, there was a young man named Sam. Sam was an ardent dreamer and a passionate worker, striving relentlessly to achieve his dreams. Sam playing his guitar in a small, dimly lit room. He was an aspiring musician, a melody maker in a world filled with noise. Sam performing on a street corner, his music drawing a small crowd. After years of hard work, he finally tasted the sweet nectar of victory. Sam receiving a trophy at a music awards ceremony. He composed a song that topped the charts and echoed through every corner of the city. People dancing and singing along to Sam's song in a crowded nightclub. The world hailed him as a sensation, a prodigy who had arrived. But as the lights dimmed and the applause faded, Sam found himself standing at the crossroads. He had two choices in front of him, to rest on his laurels or to strive for more. The world expected him to bask in the glory of his first victory, to revel in the limelight, but Sam chose the road less traveled. He decided to strive for more, to chase another victory. The journey wasn't easy. There were obstacles, hurdles, and the looming shadow of failure. There were whispers, murmurs that his first victory was mere luck, a fluke, but Sam was undeterred. He picked up his guitar, strummed the strings, and poured his heart into creating another masterpiece. And when his second song hit the airwaves, it silenced the doubters. It was a symphony that resonated with every heart, a melody that transcended boundaries. Sam had his second victory, a testament to his relentless pursuit, a proof that his first victory wasn't just luck. So what can we learn from Sam's story? The first takeaway is that victory isn't a destination, but a journey. It's not about resting after the first win, but about striving for the next. The second is that a victory isn't just about proving your worth to the world, but to yourself. It's about validating your hard work, your struggle, and your passion. And finally, it proves that victory isn't about luck, but about relentless pursuit and unwavering determination. It's about silencing the doubters, not with words, but with actions. It's about showing the world that your first victory wasn't a stroke of luck, but a result of your hard work. So as we wrap up this narrative, remember Sam, remember his relentless pursuit of victory, his unwavering determination, and his courage to strive for more. Remember that victory isn't a destination, but a journey. And most importantly, remember that your first victory isn't just luck, but a testament to your hard work and determination. Because if you rest after your first victory and fail in the second attempt, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. So keep striving, keep dreaming, and keep achieving. For victory belongs to the relentless.